Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kai. We're here with another video. Finally, another shoe unboxing. As y'all can tell, we are in a new location. I'm away at school. If you haven't already, click one of these links to go watch my college dorm move-in tour. And also, subscribe while you at it. If you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe. As y'all can tell, my hair is red. I dyed my hair. I got my first tattoo. A lot of these things have been happening, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe and go watch these past videos, because I'm telling y'all, join the family.
Right now, right now, right now.
As y'all can tell by the title, I hit on the sneakers app. Like, how often does that happen? We're about to do an unboxing, as y'all can tell by the title, of the Jordan 4 Shimmer. These are exclusively a women's shoe, women's colorway, specifically designed for women. Let's get into this shoe. I'm excited. This is a perfect shoe that's good for the fall, and I want to see how I style them. So I got the box. And I normally don't even put packages on my bed because it's really no telling where they've been all through these factories and warehouses. But for the sake of this video, I don't know why I'm pointing with scissors. For the sake of this video, we're gonna unbox them on my bed. So let's get into it. So I wanted to make sure that y'all can see the unboxing as well as myself. So let's go. Not they upside down. So it comes like this in this box. It has gold detailing on the front. I ordered mine in a size 7.5. Normally, that's what I would wear in women's, and I got them a 6 in men's. So the 7.5 converts to the 6. These is cute. These are cute. I like these. They're giving more pink though, like salmon color, kinda. But I like them, even the bottom. Yeah, I like these. This is real cute. I really like these shoes. I like the colorway. It's really giving, right? I did some research on them. This colorway does not exist in any retro 4s. This is the first colorway that came out. They said how Jordan was inspired by women to create these based on like neutral tones and makeup palettes, and also for the fall weather coming up. These are perfect for fall. Like, I'm really gonna style these for the fall. This is gonna be my fall shoe. These tones of like tan and pink blush is really giving salmon to me. Like, do you say salmon with an L or you don't put the L in there? I say salmon. But it's giving like a salmon color. This is a leather too, which I really like. It's not really nubuck like how a lot of the 4s be, but it's leather. And it's this cute tone that could definitely be worn and versatile. I like how they have like the wings, how they're kind of see-through, but they're also giving off that creamy white kind of color. And the laces, at first I thought they were all white, but they're really not. They're kind of cream color too. I really like this shoe though. It's super cute. Even the Jumpman has silver on it. I was assuming that it was gonna be gold like how the box is, but nah. Now these though, I don't even want to talk about these right now because never will I be putting these in here. I'm really finna rip them off now because I'm not wearing those. But this shoe is really cute. And normally September colors in Jordans be so ugly. September is my birthday month, and I'm always looking to see like what shoes about to drop. And they always be ugly, so I never get no shoe in September. But when I seen these, I had to get them. I was literally sending the sneakers link to all of my family, like, enter this raffle for me, enter this raffle. Why did mine hit? As soon as I'm sending it to them, I got them. They sent me the email. These retail for $190, size 7.5. So these released on September 3rd, 2021. I got them for my birthday, which is September 9th. And they actually shipped and came on my birthday too, which was even better of a surprise. Originally, I thought that these shoes didn't have a name to them. You know, normally shoes have a specific colorway, name, all that. On Sneakers app, they were just called Women's Jordan 4s. And I was like, okay, what else? Like, even on the box, I don't know if y'all can see that. Even on the box, it just says Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro. It don't even say the shimmer part. I had to Google them to figure out the shimmer. And I really don't know why they call them shimmer, because they don't got no sparkles in them. But whatever. Anyways, I'm really glad I got these. Thank you, Nike.com. Sneakers app. This is my first win. Hopefully we can win some more on the Sneakers app. You know how them raffles be. But this is also not really a popular shoe. These are really similar to the Off-White Jordan collab. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about. Picture inserted here. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about. These are really similar to those, and this was as close as I was gonna get to them. I'm not paying $1,000 for an Off-White Jordan collab for resale price. Not doing it. So this was as close as I was getting. I'm glad that I won the raffle. And let's get into this on foot try on. Y'all gonna see how I get to style these. I'm super excited. The earthy tones, the olives, the browns, the nudes, all of those can go with these. And I'm excited to see how I style them. So keep watching, stop, and subscribe while you at it. And let's get into these shoes.